Hi viewers, welcome to Learning with Maliha. Today's video is about safely using the internet. I already covered many topics related to cybersecurity in my previous videos. First what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the protection of systems connecting to the internet, including software, hardware, and data. And why is cybersecurity important? Cybersecurity is important to protect personal and financial data, prevents identity theft, maintains system and data integrity, avoids financial and reputational damage. In my previous videos, we also discussed about different types of cyber threats like malware, phishing, ransomware, DDoS, etc. Now the next important thing is how to protect yourself online. Any device that connects to the internet can be exposed to potential online threats. That's why it's important to take simple steps like these to help protect yourself. Number 1. Regularly update your software and operating system. Upgrades have the latest technology, which can make them more secure and worth the investment to stay up to date. A lot of devices we use come with software designed to help protect your data, but it's crucial to set them up correctly for maximum security. Here are some essential steps to consider. Update privacy settings. Review and update your privacy settings on all your devices and apps regularly. Choose the most private options to keep your data secure and ensure these settings have not changed due to the software updates. Turn off information tracking. Disable unnecessary tracking options that could compromise your privacy. You can turn off permissions like access to your location, contact list, camera, and microphone unless necessary. Only use secure apps. Install apps only from official app stores to avoid potentially harmful applications. Unofficial apps can be a significant risk to your device's security. Step number 2. Ensure that you have an up-to-date network firewall. The firewall that is the part of your computer's operating system is also running and up to date. And the third one is keep your antivirus software up to date and consider regular scans for spyware and malware. Number 4. Choose strong passwords you can remember without writing them down and keep your passwords private. The next one is review your credit card and bank statements monthly and log into your account regularly to check the activity. Last but not the least is be careful when using a public computer or your own computer on a public network such as coffee shop. Do not visit your financial institution's website or enter any personal information or passwords. Be sure that no one else can see your password if you choose to enter one. Basic security practices involves use of strong and unique passwords, keep software up to date, enable two-factor authentication, avoid clicking on suspicious links or attachments. In order to protect your personal data, encrypt sensitive data. Regularly back up your data. Use VPN, virtual private networks on public networks. What to do if you experience a cyber attack? Number 1. Report the incident to authorities. Number 2. Contact IT support or technical assistance. Number 3. Change passwords and monitor account activity. Don't worry or panic. Contact IT support or technical assistance for help and guidance. In a nutshell, cybersecurity is crucial in protecting personal, financial, and system integrity in an increasingly connected digital world. Threats like malware, phishing, and ransomware can cause significant damage if not properly addressed. So protect yourself online. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learning with Maliha for more informative videos.